Hello, this is Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon, and today we'll talk about SEO strategies. If you want to rank higher on Google and get more traffic to your WordPress website, you need to focus on the right SEO strategies. First, start with keyword research. To target the terms your audience is searching for and include them naturally in your titles, headings, and content. Next, optimize your meta titles and speed and descriptions so search engines and users know exactly what your page is about. Don't forget about website speed, compress images, enable caching, and choosing a reliable hosting service to keep visitors engaged. Mobile responsiveness is also crucial since most traffic now comes from smartphones. So make sure your theme adapts perfectly to every screen. Use SEO friendly URLs, proper interlinking, and structured data to help search engines understand your content better. Install plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math to guide your optimization process and get real time recommendations. Regularly update your content, fix broken links, and remove duplicate pages to maintain a healthy website. By combining these WordPress SEO hacks, you can improve your rankings, attract more organic traffic, and turn your website into a strong online presence that grows continuously. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe the channel. I'll catch you guys in another video.